Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by scoring the seal so you control the opening. This reduces ripping later. Use a sharp blade or scissors and press lightly, just enough to pierce the outer layer without cutting contents. Once done, hold the bag on a flat surface to stabilize it and angle the blade parallel to the seam. Make a shallow, steady cut along the narrowest section. This prevents jagged tears. If the bag resists, pause and reposition rather than forcing the tool. Safety matters more than speed. Once you have a starter gap, widen it gradually so the opening is controlled and even. Use your thumb and forefinger to pinch the bag sides close to the cut, then pull apart with steady, symmetrical force. This prevents the tear from veering into the contents. If an adhesive strip or stubborn seal reattaches, warm it briefly with your breath or a hairdryer on low to loosen tackiness, then continue pulling. Make small adjustments rather than big tugs. Precision keeps the contents intact. You finish by trimming any jagged edges so accessing contents is safe and tidy. After removing what you need, immediately reseal the remainder using tape, a clip, or a resealable strip to preserve freshness. This prevents spills and pests. If a tear runs or contents begin to spill, lay the bag flat, hold one end up, and use sweeping motions to trap loose pieces before they fall. One troubleshooting tip: if the seal tears unpredictably, switch to snipping small sections rather than a continuous cut to regain control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.